In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wrike desktop app. We'll walk through the process inside Wrike itself, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, whether you're on Windows or Mac. First, start by opening Wrike in your web browser and signing into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, head over to your personal area. This is usually the space where you manage your own tasks and projects. You can access it from the left-hand navigation panel. Look for a section or workspace that represents your personal projects and click into it. Don't worry too much about which specific folder you're in, as long as you're inside the main Wrike Workspace interface. Next, look towards the top or upper right part of the screen for the highlighted menu or icon that opens your account or workspace options. This might look like your profile picture, your initials, or a menu icon, depending on your layout. Click on that highlighted area. The idea here is to open the main menu where Wrike keeps all of its settings and additional tools. From the menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Apps and Integrations. This section is where Wrike gathers all the different tools and add-ons that can work with your account, including the desktop application. It may take a second to load, but once it opens, you'll see a gallery or list of available apps. In the Apps and Integrations gallery, look for Wrike for Windows and Mac. This is the desktop version of Wrike that you'll be installing on your computer. It should be listed among the recommended or featured apps. Click on Wrike for Windows and Mac to open the detailed page for the desktop app. On this page, you'll see information about the desktop application along with options to download it. Look for the Download button. Wrike will automatically provide the correct installer based on whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. Go ahead and click Download. Once the file finishes downloading, open it from your browser's Downloads bar or from your computer's Downloads folder and follow the standard installation steps for your operating system. After installation, you can open the Wrike desktop app, sign in with your existing account, and start working directly from your desktop without needing to use a browser every time.